Okay, here's another example similar to example 4. So that means we won't even have to draw a Punnett square to solve this one. It says Huntington's disease is a disorder that causes the human brain tissue to break down starting in middle age. Middle age is about 40, 50. Huntington's is inherited by people carrying a dominant allele. Okay, which of the following genotypes represent an individual with Huntington's? So this diagram on the right shows you what happens to folks with Huntington's disease. This is half of someone's brain over here that has Huntington's, and this is someone without Huntington's. And you can see that the person without Huntington's has a lot of brain matter. They have a lot more stuff than the person with Huntington's. Huntington's is an autoimmune disorder, and it eats up your brain tissue. And so you start to lose your memory, you start to lose functions, and it's quite a tragic illness. And it happens to be dominant. Alright, so Huntington's disease is dominant. So the allele for Huntington's is big H. Okay? And the allele for no Huntington's is going to be the small letter form of H, small h. So again, this is going to be Huntington's. Spell that wrong. And this would be no Huntington's. Okay, so no Hunt. And I'll just put a full stop there. Okay, Huntington, no Huntington, dominant, recessive. Okay, now let's go through them and see which of these should have Huntington's. Alright, A says small h should, we're asking whether or not that person will have Huntington's. So small h, that's both alleles for no Huntington's. We know that that is going to be wrong, right? That is not correct. They are not going to have Huntington's. Next one, big H, small h. Alright, they have one allele for Huntington's, that one, and one allele for no Huntington's. But because Huntington's is dominant, then we know they're going to have Huntington. Alright, so that is correct. Alright, small h, big H is the same thing as B, just flipped around. So no, that is also correct. Big H, they have both alleles for Huntington. So we know that that is correct as well, because obviously if you have two of the dominants, you're going to end up having Huntington's. And E, none of the answers is correct. That is wrong, because we've seen that B, C, and D are genotypes of individuals with Huntington's. So now we know that these three are our answers.